Welcome students. Today's topic is laws of exponent. Okay, so in the first chapter we are continuing the first chapter. Last topic of first chapter, that is number system. It is laws of exponent. So as we have discussed laws of exponent in the previous classes, the same laws we will continue in this class also, but here we also talk about the real numbers. So here we begins. First law, if we say that a to the power m multiply by a to the power n, we are having a to the power m, that is multiply by a to the power n. In that case we are getting a to the power m plus n. Okay, so what it means, that when numbers with equal bases are multiplied, base are equal a and a, when numbers with equal bases are multiplied, their powers get added. Okay, now the second rule, it is a to the power m upon a to the power n. Okay, so here we begin that a to the power m minus n. Okay, so what it means, that when numbers with equal bases are divided, okay, when we divide the number with equal bases, then in that case their powers are subtracted. Okay, so our third rule, it is a to the power m to the whole power n, and for it we are getting a to the power mn. Okay, what it means, that when number with same power, okay, number with some power is raised to some another power, then in that case powers are multiplied. Means when we have power की power, okay, for a number we are having, क्या है हमारे पास, फॉर अ नंबर a we are having m की पावर n, m की भी पावर क्या है n, in that case m and n दोनों की क्या हो जाएगी, multiply. Okay, so now here our fourth rule, that is a to the power 0, it is 1. Any number when it is having power 0, the result is 1. Okay, again one more rule. With this rule we have solved many of the question in 8th class also. If we are having a to the power m and it is given to you that it is a to the power n, then in that case what happens, when we compare the power, it result that m and n are equal. We can compare the result. Means if bases are equal, then powers are also equal. Okay, now these 5 rules are with the same base. Now if base are changed and it is in multiplication, for example we are having a to the power m and b to the power m. Now see here we are having base are changed but powers are same. In that case we will multiply the base and to the whole power m. What it means, that numbers, when numbers with different bases but equal power are multiplied, then what we get, we get that bases are multiplied with the same power. Power will not multiply, power will be same but base will be multiplied. The same with division also, we are having a to the power m and b to the power m. In that case also bases are get divided and power are common. Okay, and the last rule, that is the rule of inverse. Okay, means when we are having any negative power, we can make that power positive by putting it into denominator, by taking reciprocal of it. Means a number with negative power is equals to the reciprocal of that number, okay, with positive power. So these are the rule we have discussed in the previous classes also. Okay, Now one more rule is there that is related to the real number. You can say it is related with the real number also. So what we are saying? We are saying that we are having a number a to the power m upon n. Okay, so what it means? A to the power m and it is to the power n. Okay, what I have told you, whenever there is a power with 1 upon something, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3 and so on, that how you can write it as? We can write it as this, and a is as it is to the power. Okay, now I will explain one example of all these so it is clear to you. For example, it is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 3. So it is 2 to the power 4. Again, 2 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 1. It is 2 to the power 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 2 into 3, that is 2 to the power 6. Okay. A to the power 0 means n number. If you are having 100 also, then it to the power 0 is also 1. Okay. Now, when base are same, power are equal. How you can say means, if 2 to the power x is equals to 2 to the power 2, then what will be the value of x? It is equals to 2. That I am trying to say, that by this method you can equalize it. Okay. Again, when bases are changed means 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2. So what I tell you, that multiply the bases, 3 to ja 6. Power will be as it is. Okay. Now here just see 2 to the power 2 upon 3 to the power 2. So how you can write it? 2 upon 3 to the power 2. Okay. Now I will explain this negative also. 1 upon 2 to the power minus 1. It is 2. Or if we are having 3 to the power minus 2, then you can write it as 3 to the power 2. Or you can say it as 1 upon 9. Okay. So these are the questions we have discussed in the earlier classes also. Now we will discuss about this rule when we are having the number with, you can say, as fraction. Okay. For example, I am having a number that one example I will explain so that it is easier for you to get it. For example, we are having a question 2 to the power 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 upon 5. This you have to solve. So now see how you will solve. Powers are same. Sorry, base same. So power will be added. Okay. Now how you will add it? By taking LCM and all. LCM is 15, then it is 15 will be LCM, then it will be 10, it will be 3. Okay. And what you are getting? 2 to the power 13 upon 15. So that is your answer. Okay. Rules are same, but you will use it for the negative numbers. You can use it for the fractions. You can use it for the square root. Okay. So these all are the rules related to the questions. Okay. Now one more thing is there. If radicals are given to you and you have to express it as power, how you can solve it? For example, it is given to you radical this one. Okay. So what I have told you, it will goes in the a to the power 1 upon 4. You are getting it or not? One more I will explain it for you. For example, radical is 5, then it is a cube, then a cube will be as it is and 5 will be 1 upon 5. Then how you will solve it? 3 upon 5. Okay. So these all are the rules for number system which you have to learn so that it is easier for you to solve your questions.